This short dives into Ritesh Agarwal, the founder of OYO Rooms, tracing his relentless daily rhythm from dawn to dusk. Mornings begin with a focused planning ritual, jotting priorities on a whiteboard, followed by brief team stand-ups that align every unit. His work habits emphasize rapid experimentation, data-driven decisions, and delegating operational detail to trusted managers. For balance, he carves out time for family dinners and a late-night review that preserves sleep while flagging next moves. The takeaway is a feed-forward loop: define goals, test fast, learn faster, and keep onboarding new leaders tight.